Across the tri-state, coronavirus cases continue to rise, with Kentucky and Ohio breaking daily records this week. As of today, the Mountain State has almost 6,000 cases with more than 100 deaths. Also in West Virginia, more than 4,000 people have recovered. In the Buckeye State, there are almost 8,000 cases with more than 3,000 deaths. And in the Bluegrass State, there are more than 27,000 cases with 700 deaths. Now, there are reports tonight of more than 20,000 COVID-19 cases overall in the Bluegrass State. In an attempt to slow down the spike, Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear asked some churches to forego in-person services for this weekend and the next weekend. 13 News reporter Lane Ball has their response.
Church congregations went from in-person services to online services when the pandemic first hit. Now churches, with COVID-19 cases spiking here, that could change soon. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear requested more than 1,100 congregations represented by the Kentucky Council of Churches stop in-person services for 2 weekends. In Greenup County, Kentucky.
Well, I think it's stupid. I mean, if they can go around and protest and riot, why can't we go to church?
We want to take precautions the best we can, keep the distancing the best we can and stuff like that. But in the whole scope of it, we need to try to still worship God, still have our church time.
Currently, Beshear's request is just that, a request churches can choose to accept or deny. Still, Greenup County health officials say cases are increasing. Now, many believe the sudden spike in cases is travel related, but the Greenup County Health Director Chris Crum says that's not necessarily the case.
Everybody wants to lay all the blame on traveling. It's not that. You know, we have community spread here in our area, so you don't know who you're going to be in contact with.
Crum says they have a system for preventing further spread, and so far it's
working well right now. As we do the contact tracing and we call people, we find out who's positive.
Governor Andy Beshear is expected to announce more steps to curb the spread Monday. In Greenup County, Lane Ball, 13 News, working for you.